G'day, I'm Josh Garton and this is the top 5 features on the Vario multi-purpose handler. First feature is the adjustable height loading ramp. This suits both small trailers and large trucks. Point to note that the loading ramp is supported not only by the winch but a ratchet system to take the weight. The second feature is that it is sheet proof, meaning you can both handle and load out. The third feature is the Vario Headbail, adjustable in the width of the yoke and can be swung out of the way when loading out animals. The headbail can be operated from the back, making it perfect for one-man operation. The fourth feature is a removable top rail for safe and easy access. The fifth feature is the rubber floor, which you can install load bars and turn it into a weigh platform to weigh your stock. If you're a small operator and looking for a multi-purpose handler, this is for you. Visit our website or give us a call and we'll be happy to have a chat.